Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through this week's market action. A government shutdown couldn't keep markets down, with all four major indices tapping new all-time highs. Small caps rallied the most, with the Russell gaining 1.7%. The S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow all rallied more than 1%. Sectors were more mixed, though. Healthcare ended the week close to 7% higher. Utilities and tech gained more than 2%. As for the laggards, energy sold off 3.4%, while communications slid more than 2%. The turbulent week on Wall Street saw plenty of stock movers, with Nvidia leading many of the headlines. The market leader hit all-time highs this week and reached a $4.5 trillion market cap, the first company in history to do so. Citi, KeyBank, and Cantor Fitzgerald all raised price targets on Nvidia as well. The company climbed more than 5% this week and rallied 40% so far in 2025. And investors grappled with other tech headlines, including a report from Semaphore saying Intel is in early talks to make AMD a foundry customer. It's not known how much of AMD's manufacturing will move to Intel if a deal is reached. The report adds that there's no guarantee of an agreement. This didn't stop Intel and AMD from rallying 3.7% and 3.3% respectively on the week. Tesla started the week higher before closing 2.4% lower after it released its third quarter vehicle deliveries. It sold over 497,000 vehicles in the quarter against 456,000 estimates, helped in part by customers rushing to buy EVs before the federal tax credit expired. Tesla also reported a record high in its energy business. And earnings are light next week ahead of the official start to earnings season, but we will get reports from Delta Airlines, PepsiCo, Levi's, and Constellation Brands. We'll hear from Fed Chair Jerome Powell and other Fed speakers and potentially get initial jobless claims. And just a reminder, a continuing government shutdown can delay some of that economic data. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great weekend.